Right now, I'm standing here in Kuakata, Patuakhali, and the sun is slowly sinking into the horizon. The sky is painted with shades of orange, red, and golden light. It feels like nature is performing a beautiful show just for us. Watching the sunset reminds me how powerful yet peaceful nature can be. Every second, the colors change, the shadows grow longer, and the light becomes softer. People say sunsets teach us a lot about life. Just as the sun goes down every evening, it reminds us that endings are not always sad. Sometimes they are calm, peaceful, and beautiful. Tomorrow the sun will rise again with new light, new hope, and new possibilities. Standing here, I feel grateful to witness this moment. The sound of the waves, the gentle breeze, and the glowing horizon make it feel like time has slowed down. In our busy lives, we often forget to pause and admire the beauty around us. But here, in this quiet moment, everything feels simple and pure. As the sun is almost touching the water, I can't help but think that life is just like this sunset, full of colors, changes, and endings that lead to new beginnings. Watching this view with my own eyes is a reminder to appreciate every single moment we are given. Kuakata is very popular for its natural beauty and attracts many visitors every year. People love it because it's one of the few places where you can enjoy both the sunrise and the sunset over the sea. That's what makes Kuakata really special. In just a few seconds, the sun will disappear completely, leaving behind a calm darkness and the promise of another bright morning. And that is the beauty of Kuakata, the only place in Bangladesh where you can witness both sunrise and the sunset over the sea. What a blessing to be here and experience this.